Hey everyone, I am Shashank and you guys are watching Aichaki. So I'm a law student studying in the glorious capital of India, and in today's video I'm going to discuss a very interesting topic, which is how to actually improve your arguments, your oral arguments in the courts. So today I share all the lawyers and law aspirants the number one thing you must have as a skill set or a mindset if you plan to practice law in the courts of India, that is to be the litigation lawyer. And I've seen that the biggest skill that you can have is anticipating the opponent's move in the terms of arguments, counter arguments, and even on a lot of occasions what the judge's question will be. And if you are able to anticipate them accurately and prepare for those moves at a prior occasion before you are there in that battlefield, it will be going to be very extremely beneficial for you, and that will ensure that you are among, maybe I can say, the 1% lawyers in the country who is able to mount an effective offense and strategically well in advance have a very strong defense set up as well. And I say this because a lot of times when I go to court, I see that lawyer prepared for a great offensive but is struck down by the court just because the opponent makes a small submission regarding maybe non-maintainability or any other thing which the lawyer has not prepared for. There is no one who is bulletproof. Everyone has made this mistake as well. I have tried to observe the angles. I have tried to observe those mistakes. As a law student, I haven't suffered any consequences till now, but I have seen those who have suffered the consequences for them and for their clients too. And that is why I know this very painfully. I know this very painfully when I say that more than your offense or more than you knowing that what you need to argue in the court, always worry about what the other party is going to say, what the judge is going to say, and how to able to deal with that. And if you're not preemptively anticipating the moves of your opponent as well the moves of the judge, you will be at a loss. And if you're able to do it well and have a strategic advantage over almost other lawyers, that is perhaps one of the biggest steps you can take. So now, talking about the practical step, how can you do it? One is of course reading past judgments, understanding what are the legal submission that can be made. Apart from that, understand the judge's mind. It is always beneficial to read the same judge before whom you are going to appear. It's called judge the judge. The same judge's previous order on previous date regarding the same kind of matters, so you have an idea what kind of course of action this particular judge will take and going to take. Apart from that, another thing that you should do to run the entire argument in your mind, not just from your side of event but also from the other side of the event, what the judge will say. And of course, with time, this skill will improve the method of imagining every single thing that is going on the court before it has already happened. I'm not talking about the Tenet, by the way. Is something that will help you a lot in figuring out what to do to counter anything which goes against you. If you get some benefit out of it, I would love to hear in the future. And if you derive any benefit from it, please leave a comment below, or please reach out to me and tell me what you know, what you did, and maybe you did something differently, and I will learn from you.